In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch customers to messaging from classic chat in Zendesk. If you're moving from the old web widget, classic chat experience to the newer Zendesk messaging, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to turn on. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with an administrator role, since only admins can change channel settings. Also, a quick heads up. Switching to messaging is brand-specific, so you can enable it for one or several brands depending on how you operate. Let's jump in. From your Zendesk account, open Admin Center. This is where all channel configurations live. In the left-hand navigation, follow this path. Channels, then Messaging and Social, and then choose Messaging. If you don't immediately see it, look carefully under the Channels section. The wording may be compact, but the messaging page is what you need. Once you're on the messaging page, click Manage Settings. This takes you to the configuration area where you control whether messaging is active. Find the option labeled Turn on Messaging for your account and select it. Turning this on enables the messaging framework at the account level, which is the foundation for the modern experience your customers will see on your site. Next, look for the Brands drop-down. This is important if you run multiple brands or help centers from the same Zendesk instance. Use the drop-down to choose which brand or brands will use messaging. You can start with one brand if you prefer to roll out gradually, then come back later to enable additional brands once you're confident with the experience. After you've made your selections, save the settings. Saving applies the change and completes the switch. From this point forward, for the brands you selected, messaging replaces or upgrades the old web widget, Classic, on your website. If you already have the widget snippet installed on your site, you don't need to reinstall it for this change to take effect. Customers will start seeing the messaging launcher and enjoy a more modern, persistent, and asynchronous conversation experience. A few best practices as you wrap up. Plan your switch during a low-traffic window to minimize disruption. Let your support team know about the change so they're ready for the updated interface, and be clear with customers about the improved experience they can expect. If you operate across multiple brands, consider enabling messaging one brand at a time to monitor results and gather feedback. That's it. You've successfully switched customers from Classic Chat to Zendesk messaging.